Are ants invading your home and driving you crazy? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to explore effective methods to get rid of those pesky ants once and for all. Ants inside your house can be killed through various methods, each exploiting different weaknesses in their biology or behaviors. Here are several common approaches. Baits. Ant baits are perhaps the most effective and commonly used method for eliminating ants indoors. Baits contain a slow-acting poison mixed with a substance that attracts ants, such as sugar or protein. The worker ants carry the bait back to the colony, where it is shared with the queen and other ants, eventually killing the entire colony. Baits are preferred because they target the entire colony rather than just the visible ants. Sprays. Insecticide sprays are another option for killing ants indoors. These sprays typically contain chemicals that are toxic to ants and are applied directly onto ant trails, entry points, or nest sites. Sprays can provide quick knockdown of visible ants, but they may not eliminate the entire colony and can pose risks to humans and pets if not used carefully. Diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is a natural substance made from fossilized remains of diatoms, a type of algae. It is composed of tiny abrasive particles that can damage the exoskeletons of ants and other insects, leading to dehydration and death. Diatomaceous earth can be sprinkled in areas where ants are present and is relatively safe for humans and pets. Boric acid. Boric acid is a low-toxicity insecticide that can be effective against ants. It works by disrupting their digestive system and metabolic processes. Boric acid can be mixed with sugar or other attractants to create homemade ant baits or applied as a dust in areas frequented by ants. However, it should be used cautiously, especially around children and pets. Sealing entry points. Preventing ants from entering your house in the first place is an effective way to control infestations. Seal cracks, crevices, and other entry points where ants may be gaining access to your home. This can be done using caulk, weather stripping, or other sealants to block their entry routes. Natural repellents. There are several natural substances that are known to repel ants, such as cinnamon, peppermint oil, vinegar, and citrus peels. These can be used to create homemade repellent sprays or placed in strategic locations to deter ants from entering your home. It's important to note that the effectiveness of these methods can vary depending on the species of ant, the size of the infestation, and environmental factors. In some cases, it may be necessary to combine multiple strategies or seek professional pest control assistance for long-term ant control. Additionally, practicing good hygiene, such as keeping food sealed and maintaining a clean living space, can help prevent future ant infestations. By using a combination of these methods and practicing good hygiene, you can say goodbye to those unwanted house guests. Thanks for watching, and happy ant-free living!